Hello dear viewers, a very warm welcome to our channel. It's very good to have you here. In this video, we are going to have a look at motorcycle oil change. We'll be looking at how often oil should be changed, what is the reason for oil change, and what are some of the symptoms that indicate your oil change is due. The frequency of changing motorcycle engine oil depends on factors, including the type of motorcycle you're driving, the type of oil used, riding conditions, and manufacturer's recommendation. Let's have a look at some general guideline for replacing motorcycle engine oil. First, let's look at manufacturer's recommendation. Most motorcycle manufacturers recommend changing the engine oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles or 4,800 to 8,000 kilometers for conventional mineral oil. But if you are using synthetic oil, the interval can extend to 5,000 up to 8,000 miles, which is 8,000 to 12,800 kilometers. Always refers to your motorcycle's owner manual for specific oil replacement interval, and make sure you stick to that plan. Then oil intervals also depend on the type of oil that is used. Mineral oils generally require more frequent changing. For example, they require replacement every 2,000 to 3,000 miles or 3 to 4 months. Semi-synthetic oils, however, they last longer than mineral oil. Typically from 5,000 to 6,000 miles is required between intervals of replacing semi-synthetic oil. When you're using fully synthetic oil, this offers the best performance and longevity, with change recommended every 7,000 to 10,000 miles. So oil replacement interval for motorcycle also depends on the type of oil that is being used. The third factor that change the oil changing interval is riding condition. If you are driving in severe condition, for example, if you are frequently riding in extreme conditions like extremely hot weather, stop and go traffic, off-road driving, and if you are driving in dusty environment, you may need to change the oil more often, even as frequent as 1,000 to 2,000 miles. For normal driving, for regular commuting or casual riding, sticking to the manufacturer's recommended interval is usually sufficient. There is also a recommended oil change time interval. If it is based on time interval, even if you don't ride it often, then oil should be changed at least once every 6 months, because the oil will degrade over time due to exposure to moisture, temperature fluctuation, and contaminants. So even though the miles that is recommended by the manufacturer has not been reached, then every 6 months or twice a year it has to be replaced. Now, why is changing motorcycle engine oil that so important? Engine oil is the lifeblood of your motorcycle engine. It performs several critical functions, and neglecting oil change can lead to severe engine damage. The first task of the engine oil is lubrication. Engine oils reduce friction between moving parts. Pistons, crankshaft, camshaft, all these need lubrication. Without proper lubrication, metal components grind against each other, causing wear and tear, overheating, and eventual engine seizure. Engine failure is going to happen if the engine components are not well lubricated. The second very critical function of motorcycle engine oil is heat dissipation. The engine oil helps dissipate heat generated by the engine. Over time, oil breaks down and loses its ability to absorb and transfer heat, leading to overheating and potential engine damage. So the heat dissipation quality of engine oil degrades. That is why replacing it on time is very critical. Third, cleaning and contaminant removal is also a very critical task of engine oil. Oil carries away dirt, metal particles, and combustion byproducts like carbon deposits to the oil filter. Over time, the oil becomes saturated with these contaminants, reducing its effectiveness and potentially clogging up the engine. So this is very crucial also. Fourth function of the engine oil is it is corrosive protection. Engine oil contains additives that protect metal surface from rust and corrosion. As oil ages, these additives deplete, leaving the engine vulnerable to damage. The fifth function of engine oil in motorcycle is sealing and compression. The oil helps maintain a seal between the piston rings and cylinder walls, ensuring proper compression. Worn out oil can lead to reduced compression, lowering engine performance and increasing fuel consumption as well. And finally, the engine oil has a function of extending engine life. Regular oil change ensures that your engine runs smoothly and efficiently, significantly extending its lifespan. Neglecting oil change can lead to costly repairs or even complete engine replacement. So what are some of the signs that might indicate your motorcycle needs an oil change? First, look at the oil. If it is dirty, if it is dark, then it needs replacement. Fresh oil is amber colored and translucent. If it becomes dark, if it is gritty, if it is sludgy, then it's time for replacing your motorcycle oil. So have a look at the oil texture. If it is dark, if it is dirty, even though the time of replacement recommended by the manufacturer has not been reached, then if it is dirty, it needs replacement. The second indication of motorcycle oil change is engine noise increment. Increased engine noise or knocking sound can indicate insufficient lubrication. So if the lubrication quality of the oil goes down, engine knocking tendency will increase, engine noise will increase. So all this can indicate the motorcycle is in need of oil replacement. Another symptom is poor engine performance, reduced acceleration, reduced power, increased fuel efficiency, increased fuel consumption. All this may signal old or degraded oil. So if your motorcycle has refused accelerating as it used to, if your motorcycle refuses accelerating as it used to, if you happen to notice a reduction in power, or if you happen to observe that fuel consumption has increased lately, that could be an indication of a degraded oil that is in need of replacement. Fourth on the line that indicates oil replacement requirement is oil level that drops. Frequent need of topping of oil levels may indicate leak somewhere, or it may also indicate that the engine is burning oil due to worn out oil or worn out engine components or cylinder walls. So frequent low oil level is also an indication of oil needing replacement. And finally, the fifth symptom that indicates a motorcycle needs oil replacement is when warning light appears. Some motorcycles have an oil change indicator light that alert you when it is time for servicing and oil replacement. So these are 5 of the things that commonly indicate your motorcycle needs oil replacement. So make sure that you regularly change your motorcycle engine oil, as it is one of the simplest yet most important maintenance tasks you can perform. This video will help you guide through how you can replace your motorcycle oil. Simply run the motorcycle to make it a little bit warm, open the drain plug on the lower side of the motorcycle engine, drain it, tilt the motorcycle so that every oil drops out, and then retighten the drain plug, refill with new fresh engine oil. Also, don't forget to clean the oil filter and replace it. This ensures optimal engine performance, it prevents costly repair, and extends the life of your motorcycle. Always follow the manufacturer's recommendation and adjust the frequency based on your riding condition and the type of oil that you're using. By staying proactive with oil change, you will keep your motorcycle running smoothly and reliably for years to come. And also, if you recently purchased a motorcycle, have the oil replaced at once, because you don't know how long the oil has been used by the previous owner. Just have it replaced, and then you can count the oil replacement interval based on your fresh current oil. Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you regarding some of the things you can do and some of the indications and why it is important to replace motorcycle engine oil. If you find this video helpful, please smash the like button. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications so that you will be the first to get notified whenever we come up with another video. Until then, stay safe.